Hey there, welcome everybody. Hello, hello, hello. We're back. Robert, you find a time machine. Yeah, I found it actually. The only problem was with the flux capacitor, but it's working now. So I went back to the 80s to bring some vibes, actually. All right. Well, in the New York Hill Zone, and I was looking for some possible trades, but actually nothing. We have some targets on the 5-minute / 15-minute. Otherwise, well, that's it. Fair value gap here on the 15-minute, also down there at 22. No entry, nowhere. Just waiting. Are we gonna have some news? Let me check. We should be having some news, right? No, we don't. All right. Bond auction in the PM session. That's all. That's all we have. Some bond auction. So that's all right. $15-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute, nothing. Absolutely nothing. I can hover all around that there's gonna be no entry. Asia lows have been swept. Okay, VWAP is up there. Yeah, that's it. We could be looking for some possible spike up there to the 76s. Are we? I think we do. The dog is barking out there at my neighbor, so it should be a bullish sign. But really, I think we're going back to 76. That's the only reasonable spot there. It feels like there's not much to expect from this session, right? What do we have here? We don't really have anything. Somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq again. On the 1 minute, it's going a little bit sideways, but again, I think we're going higher to 72. Should be. Otherwise, that's it. That is it. Low probability setups. In my opinion. 64, 76 should be going higher. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see what is gonna happen here. Mhm. Well, not much. Until we're staying below the VWAP, could be seeing a structure shift down there below 56. Otherwise, the 1 hour, well, we pretty much swept this level also into the to the 1 hour fair value gap. So, Jess, hey there. You're waiting for 75 level, and she's playing around. You're waiting for 75. Yeah, it should be going there. If I would be in a long position, I would be targeting the 75 for sure. So that's a good goal. Swept the 1 hour. The only thing though that we should not forget that this is actually not a picture perfect, but this is a bullish order block here to the left on the 1 hour. You're long from 49. All right, let's see. 49. Okay. That's good. That's good. Gabor. Hey there, good morning. Üdvözöllek. I think we're gonna go higher a little bit. We need to reach the 76 pocket right there. Especially because of the VWAP. You know, should be wicking that level. 75, 76. Yeah. Could be. You're in Hungary from July 5th. Nice. Gabor, absolutely. From July 5th to 25. All right. I'll be here on stream, so why not? Absolutely. If I can help you out with anything, let me know. All right. Grab a drink and beer, you know. I don't know. What is happening? It's retracing a little bit. I'm not really looking at the 1 minute now, but it seems like as a consolidation, we have this gap here. I'm not gonna mark this up, but we have this gap. Could be creating some kind of a support here. Might be going up. Might be enough for it to go higher. But not sure. Might be enough. I have to make some kind of a let's see. Well, this is still kind of a support zone. As far as this gap is going to hold it, I would still say we can see this going higher, but I'll be on alert for a possible structure shift here. Anyway, let's wait this one out. Until we wait, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Trading is one of the most boring things, professions, jobs, hobbies in the world. So never forget that trading is one of the most boring professions in the world. And it has to be boring. That's the way it should be, right? That's the way it should be. It has to be boring. Also the most stressful. I have to watch this video again. It's just so good. Yeah, I think for most of the traders, JR. I have to watch this video again.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
It's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe. Because that doesn't
Yeah. Yesterday I went into tilt mode and blew my account. Oh, facts for all. I know it feels bad, but I mean, I can tell you that I have blown 2 funded accounts in the past 3 weeks. One from Apex and one from MyFundedFutures. So I know how it is. So it's frustrating, I know. But hey, you can make it back, I'm sure about it. I'm like this only right now. Oh. Yeah. So it's stressful. But you know, there's one good thing to eliminate stress in trading, and that is actually taking less trades. And so risking smaller size, taking less trades. Hold on guys, fighter jets are flying over the building. You might gonna hear them. So taking less trades, smaller size, and you know, I just made a video, only go for the A+ setups, right? Maybe not the 1 minute time frame. I was starting to realize it, man. Anyway, there is a demon in trading. Of course there is. Dominic, what was that? Did you? What does that mean? Short that. Down jutsu. Taju Odam price again. Down jutsu. Low hanging fruit. All right. I like that. What do you think targeting only 20 tick in NQ? Well, you know, 20 ticks. 20 ticks. It's like 5 points, right? 5 points in Nasdaq. I think it's too it's too small target. It's too small. I think in Nasdaq, if you want to scalp, you need at least 8 to 10 points. I think that would be the bare minimum. You have to think about commission too. you have to think about a little bit of slippage in some cases. 20 ticks is not going to cover everything, including a profitable edge. I think 5 ticks is just, in my opinion, is just not. I mean, I know traders are making gains with that kind of target, but I don't know. That would be real stressful for me, if you ask me. It's $100 times 5, done for the day. I know, and it actually sounds super awesome. Like, it sounds so great. Like, how easy it is to make 5 points, copy trade it with 5 times, and done for the day. You know. I didn't sleep, Jacqueline. Jacqueline, I didn't sleep. Actually, I didn't need to sleep because the London session for me is 8 a.m. So at my time currently is 2:31 p.m. So I didn't need to sleep. Although I'm a terrible sleeper, guys. I don't know. I have to think of something. You are Superman. I'm not. I'm not Superman. I just live in a okay-ish time zone, trading wise, at least. Otherwise I would live elsewhere, but for trading, this time zone suits so far okay. You know, the London kill zone starts at 8 a.m. for me. The New York Wall Street open is at 9:30. Sorry, for me it's 3:30 p.m. New York 4 p.m. close is 10 p.m. for me. So if I want to, I can trade all day, London and New York. So, but it's too exhausting. No news, Ijaz. No news, unfortunately. Tomorrow is gonna be the big news, and I'm just saying, if some of you guys want to, go all in, like I do sometimes, but don't do this on funded accounts. But if you want to go all in on a few cheap accounts, Apex and BULENOX 90% sale ends tonight. So if you want to stack up some accounts for the CPI trade, this is your last day to get those cheap discounts. So make sure. There's news at 1 p.m. But yeah, it's for bonds. It would be shaking the market, I think. It could be injecting some volatility. So we'll see. So today is the last day for the cheap accounts, cheap upfront cost. Also, if you are buying some TOPSTEP accounts, you can support the channel by clicking on my link, and that gives a few credits to me. Also, MyFundedFutures 20% off from expert accounts, which is absolutely a good deal. No activation fee, no consistency rule, no withdrawal cap. You can add to your losing trades if you want to. So, good stuff. So yeah, today is gonna be a little bit slow, I think so. It's gonna be a little bit slow, I imagine. Just your opinion. I have been trading 2 micro, but stuck on 1k profit for the past 3 weeks. Yesterday lost them all. I have a strategy that when I get in, it moves at least 20 ticks my way before it turns. I mean, if it's good, if it's paying out, I mean, if it goes for profits, that's good. But you have to collect information and data. How many times do you reach the 20 ticks, and what is the percentage of you ending up in a losing streak when it goes completely against you. I mean, fighter jets flying, sorry about the noise. So if you can reduce that drawdown, that could be working. You're at work during news hour, alright. You're trading take profit trader. Oh, nice. 100k evaluation. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ijaz. Let's go. By the way, take profit trader, we have a code in the description. It extended the sale, no activation fee. The payout policy is by far one of the fastest. So you can take out money anytime on your funded account. It will be processed and wired on the same day. Servus Gabor, üdvözöllek. Welcome Gabor, the Hun is here. Ha igen, akkor hogyan? Well, all is good. Look at this. Right after the futures opened up, few minutes after we're going a little bit lower. I don't have any position. The only thing that's left here on the 15-minute, which is also a, well, possible target to go lower, is the 15-minute gap. Is here. You're already up 1800 in 12 hours. Jesus. And that I can use the buffer, so 3k plus 1800k. Jesus Christ, Ijaz. What are you doing there? Hotspot FX, say there. Let's make some money. Szia, hogy vagy? Üdvözöllek. Welcome from America. How do they say? America. It's America. Done 3 trades now at 20 ticks. As I said, you know, if you have a high percentage, I mean, a high win ratio, that is very good. The only thing you have to work on is how to reduce if you have a losing streak. And if you can fine tune it, then obviously you have a winning edge. That's what you have to work on. You know, that's what you have to focus. I'm Gabor, born in Hungary but live in America. America. I want to visit America. I want to go there. I want to go to America. The land of the dreams, you know. You really was here. You were here in Hungary, right? You're saying. So you're born originally as a Hungarian. Wow. Hotshot FX. I'm just realizing that. You're not even trolling. You're not joking. You're really from Hungary. Nice. I want to drive through America. It's on my bucket list, you know. As I said many times on stream, I want to rent an American muscle car and drive from East Coast to West Coast all the way through. I'm gonna go down to Florida. I'm gonna visit Texas, everywhere. I want to go to Las Vegas, go to San Francisco, everywhere. Los Angeles, Miami. I want to visit Washington. I was in New York once. I want to visit some of the big cities. I mean, I cannot visit all of them because I'll be there forever. But it's the land of opportunities. Don, I'm done. 65, but look 75, and I feel 85. Come on, dude. Born in Hungary in... Oh, yeah, you told me that. Zalaegerszeg. Yeah, I remember you told me that. Yeah. We were talking about it, man. My memory is like made of Teflon, You know? I'm sorry. Yeah, I think you told that. 88. Yeah. You left communism. You did well. You did well. Come to West Coast. I'll be happy to. I just want to rent a muscle car. Most likely a Dodge Charger or something like that with a V8. With the biggest engine that's possible. I don't care about fuel. The biggest engine. And let's hit the road. Oh yeah, we were talking about the Lake Balaton. Yes. Yes, Hotshot FX. Drive a Mustang around America. So free. You're old? 41 years old? I'm 40. So you and me both old. Dude. Oh, Jesus. That's a confirmation. That's it. I'm 40. I'm going to go and I'm going to rent a my place at the cemetery. Just to make sure, you know, if I kick the bucket. But you guys are kids. I was waiting for some kind of response like that. We are kids compared to Gabor. We are kids. Yeah. I was having my birthday, my 40th birthday. It was last month. I was down at Balaton. I also made a short video. You can check it out on my blog. It's on my channel. So my birthday gift was that I've got taken by my fiance to Lake Balaton. So we had a great weekend there, and the weather was beautiful. We were staying in a nice hotel, and we were walking down the streets, listen to some music, you know, and it was great. I had a great time. So anyway, we pulled back a little bit. This is technically an order block. This order block on the 5-minute could have stopped. Price to go lower, although it broke it. But who knows where it's going? It's going up. The weave up still waiting to be tested again, and then maybe that gap, but we have no entries, of course. So, as I said, today could be a little bit slow, but as a reminder, just telling you that, telling you guys that today's the last day for the 90% sales stack up for CPI. Last time you were in 2019. It's gonna be choppy. Yeah, today is gonna be most likely choppy. I think many traders are taking the day off. Most likely the majority is gonna trade the open, and everybody is gonna just get prepared for tomorrow. The good old CPI, and what else is gonna be there? FOMC, sorry. CPI and FOMC. So today gonna be the fireworks. Tomorrow, I mean. Today it's just gonna be a little bit of a calm and, you know, sideways and doing nothing kind of price action. Tomorrow is gonna be the fireworks. How much spread? I don't know, to be honest. Almost like nothing. Should be almost none. I had no spread issues. I can't even tell you. I would like to, Subham, but there was so little. I haven't even noticed there is some spread. There must be some, maybe one tick, or I don't know, but trade open 9:30, 9:45, and you're done. So opening range, all right, you can make 20-30 points on the 15-minute. Okay, definitely. A lot of traders are firing shots at the first 15 minutes. You have to be really on top of the game there, because let's face it, I think trading in the first 5 to 10 or 15 minutes on Nasdaq is a little bit like discretionary trading. You know, you can spot some levels if you see something, and you have to really closely watch how the candles are printing, and you know, you have to enter based on your gut feeling most of the time, as I understand many of these entries, and based on discretion is dangerous. It's, yeah, lots of opportunity, and the volume, really, the speed, the momentum kicks in. Okay, so this 5-minute candle was actually shifting structure here. Let me zoom it out just a little bit, just to clarify what's happening here. Oh no, not that. Bullish market structure shift up there. Bullish market structure shift. Fair value gap. Let's see how it goes. Is it going to leave it like that? Liquidity has been swept with this one, I think. We can look for possible targets. The problem is we're gonna have the market open real soon. The good news is it might not be having that kind of huge volume. So if this one takes this gap and moves higher, it could be a potential winner. So 2 minutes, and let me measure high to low. Yeah, I would say optimal trade entry would be at least somewhere at 58.25. So I would put the trade down there, stop loss there, 1 to 2 risk to reward. Could be there. 4 micros. We'll be in range from 30 to 90. Yeah, I agree with you. Absolutely. Absolutely. I think we go up into open, then short. Yeah. I think we will. All right. The gap is still there. 58.25. I might be taking this trade. I might be taking this trade. 58.25. Or might be not. Okay, never mind. The trade is off. It repriced the gap right now. So this is not valid for me anymore. Reprice the gap. So not valid anymore. Not even the 3 minute, but yeah, it's not valid. It can actually turn bearish here. 33 was the sell side. has been taken. London has moved, yeah, 83 points, which is unusual at London. In the past couple of days, London was pretty much just sideways. Keep it simple, trading is easy, yeah. The emotions, yeah, the emotions are the ones that are getting us. Bearish divergence is in play. Could be. This area here, this at 19,022, 21, 22 is a 15-minute gap. And in between, there's still a 1 hour gap down there. I don't know if it wants to go, but yeah, we're watching it. Sellers in control. Sell the rally. Yeah. Low volume is easy to manipulate. Yeah, definitely. Just watch Apple stocks. It might take NQ higher from the good news earlier. You know, I was reading some article like Elon Musk was bashing or ranting on Apple's iOS if they are going to implement OpenAI into the software by factory. And some article said that it's not going to be good for the stock price, but who knows. Elon Musk says OpenAI is going to steal all your information from Apple phones. So I don't know. In this case, I think from all the phones that have any kind of AI software on it. Anyway, they said it's not good for the stock price. Apple just announced their new AI and they don't need NVIDIA chips. So wow. Yeah. Guys, I'm a little bit, honestly, Ola Vajak say there, honestly, I'm a little bit scared. I'm not scared, but I'm a little bit frustrated about all this AI. You know, it's going to be in your television set. It's going to be in your mobile phone. It's going to be, you know, everywhere in your house. All these smart machines that you have on your household, everything is going to be AI powered. Sooner or later, it's just a couple of years max. Everything is going to be AI functioning. So yeah, the smartphones are already watching you. It's a fact. You know, I did a test with my phone, and not just me, and my friends. I did the test with my fiance as well. We were talking about some products, some which you can order online, some electronic products, and we were not typing anything into the phone, not into Google. We were just talking about it specifically while it was next to us at the table. So we were doing that 2 or 3 times during the day, and by night our phone was, you know, sending commercials and advertisement to buy this television and this smart TV, blah blah blah. So it was crazy. I wasn't even typing anything. My phone was turned off. Like, it was just on the table, and we were talking about we should buy like smart boxes to have the old television, make it smart TV, you know, and have a box to make it as a smart television, our old television, you know, and something like that. And like 10 hours later or 8 hours later, both of our phones were pushing commercials about online web stores that are selling smart boxes for TVs. So that is Yeah. Gabor says this is the reason why he's not talking. Not talking about the professional lady companionships with his friends. Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, they are listening. So just saying, like, it's a little bit frustrating. Everything is going to be controlled by AI around you. And you guys might have seen that getting a little bit old movie. I mean, it was 20 years ago with Will Smith, you know, I, Robot. You remember? I mean, it was an early sci-fi movie, but look at what Tesla is doing. Look at, you know, here in my city where I live, we have the Mercedes factory. They're manufacturing Mercedes cars here. And right now in my city, they are testing robots that are actually doing the work of humans. I can show you. Look at that. This, I'm going to show you an image right here. This image is here in my city. This is here in my city. They are having robots doing the job of human. They are doing this. And so you remember the movie I, Robot. And I can imagine it's basically it. This is it, guys. These robots are going to come to your household and they're going to clean your apartment. They're going to cook dinner, whatever, I don't know. But it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. And what about trading? Yes. You can see. Yeah, you can read Magyar. And what about AI trading? I know we have algos. Yeah, I know we have algorithms since 10, 15, 20 years ago or even longer. I know we have algos in trading. I know. But what if the AI is going to be so advanced in trading that, guys, the next question is going to be a little bit super hard to digest. What if the thing that we're doing right now is absolutely useless because in a couple of years, AI is going to completely absorb trading online? There's no need to trade because actually every trading session is going to be controlled and being traded by AIs. What about that? What if what we're doing here is absolutely a waste of time? But big player will use AI. Of course, everybody's going to use AI for trading. So what the hell are we doing here? That's the, you know, these questions are absolutely mind-boggling. I'm telling you, the world is going to be a completely different one in about 10 years. Everything is going to, I mean, I can't even imagine. And 10 years is not even that long time. The world is going to change completely. You can actually buy robots to your household, human-like robots to your household. AI trading creates exploitable fractal price patterns. That's actually a good point. Make as much money now and find a hobby. Or just go to live in the woods, you know. Let's live in the woods. Get your weapon ready. Yeah. I mean, this is crazy. I know we're not talking about trading right now, but there's nothing to talk about at this point. There's no entry. The 1 minute, look at this is a piece of garbage on the 1 minute chart. 3 minute also, 5 minute barcode chart. Nothing is moving, nothing is happening in the market right now. So if I see a movement, I'm gonna be stepping into the chart, but nothing is happening, guys. We are going to have lots of people with a lot of time on their hands doing bad things. Think about it. Bad things? Are they really going to do bad things? Well, we'll see. Sorry, I was just reading an email. No question, right? Prasad, hey there, doing great. Go short. I can't go short right now, but I don't know. We still, I mean, we have this area at 22, which could be good. Not able to take care of themselves, totally rely on robots. It's the normal course of humanity. History tells, yeah. Or maybe we're gonna end up like in the Matrix or Terminator or something like that. It's coming, yeah. It is coming. Anyway. Push the like button, guys. Subscribe to the stream, to the channel, and push this to the moon. We're just gonna wait anyway. Going down to 22. It's not far. The range is very close. I don't think that we're gonna see a proper displacement, but it can go down, of course, as Only Trade said. Online safety, it's alright. There is one Only Trade, there's online safety. Online safety, yeah. Eurythmic is out. Oh, let me check it. Let me check it. I lost connection with Apex, by the way. and lost connection with BULENOX, both rhythmic. No, sorry, Apex is okay. I lost connection with TOPSTEP and BULENOX, both are rhythmic. Apex is still here. I still have Apex connection, but I lost BULENOX and TOPSTEP. Rhythmic is awful. 20 ticks, yeah. You're gonna attack the lows, alright. I just with Apex will reverse my losses from yesterday. The only info they said that they're resetting the trade await accounts, and the rhythmic accounts they would only look into which could have been affected by the data connection issue. So they did not say that they're gonna reset every account. One mod said that they're going to look into some accounts if they see that there was a connection issue. That's all. Yeah, my Apex so far is connected. Let me check again. Yeah, so my Apex is connected. BULENOX and TOPSTEP is not connecting currently. And all of them are rhythmic. So that's interesting, a little bit weird. I might go into restart Quantower just to make sure. I'm restarting Quantower. Sometimes it helps, sometimes not really. BULENOX is out, and TOPSTEP is out as well on rhythmic currently, just saying. Yeah, they're aware. Jeff, welcome. Kojak, welcome. And welcome everyone who just joined. George, hey. Welcome everybody. So yeah. Having a little bit of an issue with the connection. But this time I doubt that it's Apex. There's an issue with BULENOX and TOPSTEP too. I mean on their end. So it should be rhythmic. Hit the like button. Yeah. Hit the like button and subscribe, guys. We're going for the 3,000 subscribers. Only 700 and something to go. 780? No, 20? 780. 770 something. Interactive Broker was founded. Yeah, it was founded by a Hungarian guy. Yeah, Thomas Péterfi Tamás, as we say it, was a Hungarian immigrant. And he's one of the richest people in the world, and probably the richest Hungarian in the world. And he founded Interactive Brokers. So that's awesome. That's awesome. He's a bit old now, but, you know, still great achievement by him. Apex has lured many traders to futures. Well, they did, but not just Apex. I mean, the whole prop firm industry turned away from Forex. I mean, not completely, but after the last 8 to 10 months, you know, this huge turmoil was going on in the Forex prop firm industry. Definitely more traders are turned into futures in the hopes of more regulations, most likely. So is George Soros, yes. But Péterfi, Tamás Péterfi is richer than George Soros, I think. I'm gonna check it out. Net worth $38 billion, and George Soros is $6.7 billion. So the man who invented, who founded Interactive Brokers, $38 billion, and George Soros is $6.7 billion. So that gives you some kind of a estimation. Péterfi is a good guy. Soros says 12. All right, who cares? It's 12 billion or 6 or 7 or 10. Who knows? I saw a report with Peterfi, and he was a very humble and genuine guy in the report. And of course, we don't know what's he like in his private life, but he was very genuine, very humble, very nice, and I like that report. It was a great deal from him to make that kind of fortune, especially immigrating to the United States. Yeah. No, Soros is actually much more poor than Peter definitely has at least 3 times more. Very humble and good guy. Yeah, I saw a few reports with him, and I don't think that, of course, I think he's in the 80s something, but he doesn't really care about money anymore. He's just, living his days, and that's it. Still makes you wonder, what can one man do with all that wealth, $38 billion, of course, not in cash, but, in companies, real estate, everything you can imagine. What can you do with all that wealth? $38 billion in the hand of one man. One man, $38 billion. What can you do with that? You can't even spend it. Even if you will take it out in cash, you can never spend that money. Never. You can't. You won't be able to. Yeah. You won't be able to spend that kind of money. Never ever. It's just physically impossible. Or, yeah, make more money. You can buy a country maybe, I don't know. Founder of Intel was a Hungarian man, Andrew Grove, yeah. Yeah. They made huge money, guys. Interesting, nevertheless. So I always like to view these reports and interviews, with these people, because try to memorize some thoughts and advices from these people. Power is not about the wealth, it's about control. They influence politicians. Yeah, that's a different dimension. I don't know. Of course, we can only guess. We will never know. But do you think that with this kind of wealth, this kind of money, $38 billion, even $20 billion or $10 billion, you want to go into politics to influence politicians? Who knows? Maybe. Reconnected but can't place trades. Let me check. I'm still connecting. Apex is not connecting. Is it connecting? This is an Apex chart, but nothing comes in. I can see the accounts, but it's not loading the chart. So let me try. No symbols found at Apex. No symbols found at BULENOX. No symbols found at TOPSTEP. I haven't connected to MyFundedFutures yet. But no symbols. Quant Tower says that no symbols. So I guess there is an issue. Yeah, I don't like TOPSTEP X due to their halfway cut of your account for the day. Oh, really? No. You can trade with, for example, MyFundedFutures can connect you directly with NinjaTrader, or you can trade with TradeAwait. These are the most popular ones. And what else? I know there is something else. Quantower is using Rhythmic, so TradeAwait and NinjaTrader, I mean the direct connection could be working there. but I should change to Frankfurt server. It works for you at BULENOX. All right. So at BULENOX, it works with the Frankfurt server. Let me check it out. I'm gonna disconnect and go with Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago, Rhythmic Trading Frankfurt. All right, I'm gonna try BULENOX Frankfurt server as well. If it works, then it's great. If this works out with the Frankfurt server, I might try it with TOPSTEP too. Who knows? I don't know. I'm connected, can make order. I'm connected, but I don't even see my charts. So I technically I can't trade because I don't see the charts. Yeah, with Rhythmic. It seems like it's connecting with the Frankfurt server on BULENOX. At least it's loading symbols, it says right now. So let's see if I can get a proper connection here. It's working. BULENOX is working with the Frankfurt server, but there is a latency issue, 1000 milliseconds. It says. I can see the chart, but there is latency issue. I can restart the computer actually, but that's not the issue. I actually restarted the computer right before the stream. So it's not about that. Anyway, I'm gonna disconnect BULENOX again. And all this is happening right before the market open. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the Chicago area and try that once more. Good luck, everyone. I'm gonna go get a tea. Remember, sell the rally or buy the dip. Yeah. Oh, to make another 1K first. Yeah, good luck to you as well. See ya, see ya. Servus. All right. Hope to make some good trades. Still have about... Okay, it seems like BULENOX is alright. BULENOX returned. What else do we have? Apex is still not ready. I'm gonna reconnect again to Apex. All right. So, you know, guys, this is what This is what everybody should be doing at the market open. Watch carefully.
Heart's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe.
All right. We've never been in this kind of situation. All right. Go in full port and start to pray. All right. Let me check what is happening. Apex, it says it's connected. Okay, I have my Apex connection back. All right, everything is fine. Let me try to place a trade. It's gonna be a test. Hold on. Okay, it works. All right, my Apex connection is okay. The BULENOX is okay too. TOPSTEP, let me check TOPSTEP. TOPSTEP is okay too. Actually, let me do something here. Still funny, it is. Let's wait for the open, everyone. Do not trade Apex or BULENOX today. So far the trade has been, I mean, it was working. So I made a test trade, but nothing special. Anyway, we're gonna be focusing on price after the open. I don't really expect too much in this AM session, so we'll see. Still have 5 minutes. Let's see. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for the open. Looks like it could be consolidating. You know, if I look at these levels, the only one I see is at that. I mean, up at 76 and down to like 22. But in between, it's a riddle. You don't know. Less than 2 minutes, guys and girls. Let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see, are we gonna get some good entries? One minute. This is the 5-minute chart. I can go to the 1 minute just for fun. It's not going there. Oh, it does. All right, just to see what's going on the 1 minute. It's printing a little bit cleaner. "25 seconds. 20 seconds. Everybody scared? 15 seconds. Get ready, full port, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Market is open for business. Oh my God, what is happening? Everybody be careful. Are we gonna go to the 76? Seems like it. Jesus, holy baby Christ, be careful. Max leverage, everyone. Max leverage. You are pros, everybody. Everybody's a pro. Come on. Full contract, full margin. Who cares? We only live once. Nobody cares. Let's pray. Actually, I'm just joking. I'm not doing... I have no positions open. As you guys can see that. I have nothing. I'm waiting to see a clean direction. So far, it's edging a little bit towards the 76 fair value gap. Repricing there. Okay. Or could be going down to 22. YOLO time. Come on, everyone. Who cares about tomorrow? Nothing matters. Full port, everything. All your accounts, copy trade them, everything, all contracts, whatever. No stop loss required. Even the funded accounts, who cares? Just push it. All right, I'm stopping. We're waiting patiently to see where market wants to drive us. All right, so far it's in the range. 5 minute is printing kind of a doji candle. Now it seems like it wants to go up to that 76 area. High of that candle is 76.25. So we're going there. Yeah. Or not. Indecision. Could be going sideways from here. I'm not in any position. I'm flat. I think the 76 is definitely in the range. But I think it's dangerous to jump in too long. The 1 minute is a little bit barcoded. Let me put a line to 76.25. Should be taking it out 10 points, so it has to go through. There you go. Okay. Come on. Okay, I think it has it. All right. Is it going to form it? Okay, there you go. 76. Got it. And now comes the decision. Is it going to turn back down and go for more sell side, or are we going to go for the London high and previous day high? Let's not forget that we are still inside of the Friday daily candle, so we're just ranging still on the bigger picture. It could be going for internal liquidity, and in this case, I mean, if that's the case, well, there might even be a possible entry on the 5 minute chart. All right, new 5 minute candle started. I'll be back in a minute. Don't go anywhere. All right, we're back. Good day. I told you. Yeah. What did you tell me? Did you tell me we're gonna go down? Tell me. What did you tell? What was it? Good to see you, Marcus Trader. It's a little windy out there. Okay. Fair value gap just around this area. I like that. Still need 2 minutes. Done for the day. 2600. That's how you do it, Jacqueline. Good luck to you as well. I mean, well done. Have a good rest of the day. That's how to do it. I told you. Hey, Michael. Michael, how you doing? Well, I mean, it seems like to me that we could be having a possible continuation as a long position. Yeah, why not? I can absolutely imagine that. We still need 1 minute and 7 seconds to close the 5-minute candle. It will go short. Apple? I don't see Apple yet. Is it going higher or not? Oh, it repriced this area. Okay, never mind. Structure shift on the 1 minute. Could be going lower. Anyway, this gap is non-existent anymore. So SPX touching S&P touching at 53.40. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. S&P could be going down. What the heck is going on here? S&P could be pulling down NQ. Actually, they're not exactly doing the same stuff right now. So they have decoupled a little bit here, as far as I can see. They have decoupled for a bit. And we're stuck in this area. One and done. Thanks for joining, Irrotable. It seems like everybody trades down the open and goes away. Like 10 minutes and that's it. Well, you know, Whatever makes profits. Don't forget, today is the last day to get your cheap accounts with Apex and BULENOX for tomorrow's CPI. If you want to stack up a few accounts, this is your time. Also, what the hell is going on? Oh, they just ended the sale at BULENOX. Oh, how bad is that? So BULENOX ended the sale just now. It's down to 70% only. So BULENOX ended the sale. Too late for that. Then only Apex. BULENOX said, no, thank you guys, that was all. So BULENOX ended the sale. Bum, 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 bum. You use regular trading hour chart. Yeah, many traders use that. And we're still in this gap. Not rebalanced yet, but yeah. So we could be going higher still. But on the 5-minute, well... All right. What is happening? What is your experience with BULENOX? I have yet to use them, but considering it due to all Apex drama. Well, you know, so far Apex has been absolutely awesome. I have very good experience with them. Nothing wrong to say. They're making payouts, not to me yet. I'm still building up my funded accounts with them, but some other streamers and traders, I know that they got their payouts, so the support is great. No special rules for now, at least, not yet, to go by. So you can do pretty much a lot of things with BULENOX. So yeah, the issue is right now, Don, is that they were doing the 90% sale, and just right now, today, they have ended it. So it's down to 70% now with the TOPSTEP1 code. So at my banner up there, it says 90% off with the TOPSTEP1 for the option 1 accounts. But now it's 70. So it says 90, but it says 70, yeah. It says 90, but it's 70. I can't speak, guys. Damn it, I can't speak. Just can't speak normally. But I have no issue with Apex for now. Most of the issue came from Rhythmic. On the Apex servers, so that's it. ES is falling like hell. Oh wow, look at this, yeah. ES is tanking. One of those big companies on S&P 500 is having a bad day, I guess. It's gonna pull down NQ if it starts to continue like that. Go short. Sir Burnson says go short. I don't have an entry, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm guessing it can go down to the 22s. It's just risky for me right now to take a short. There was a short opportunity here, so it could go down. But I had no entry. But it's going down. Yeah. We reached the 22. Oh, did not. Not yet. Not yet. So we have a 15-minute fair value gap at 22. Let's go. It's going down. Yeah. Look at ES. What a dip. What a dip. So, on the other hand, we have this sell side at 941. Jesus Christ, we can go down to previous day low at 72 with this move. Okay. I think that's the target. 72. Wow. We just cut through this gap like nothing. And it seems like we're just going for it. 08 going through there still. Feels a little bit risky, so I'm not doing anything with that. If it retraces back up there to 31 or something, then that's not good. Previous day lowest target, yeah. 72.75 here on the micros. Could be. Yeah, I guess it can. On the 5-minute we have a small rejection. ES could be going lower. Nothing else so far. No entry on my end. I'm gonna wait for the next candle. 37, yeah. Let's wait for it. Went through that gap. 5-minute candle is closing in 25 seconds. Let's see what's gonna happen here. All right. Let's see. Oh, you got a good entry. Nice. 76. Oh, wow. You're sitting in it. You are actually sitting in the best spot. That's the best spot there. Retracing higher a bit here. 71 is your entry. Oh, way up there. Nice, good job. Way up there. Sorry, just a quickie phone call. So I'm waiting for a possible short entry. I would be targeting the previous day low at 972. I do like that level. It should be closing this. I mean, this gap should be staying as it is, and I would expect a drop all the way down. Hope you shorted RL. I didn't. You shorted 2 NQ. Oh, dude, you're breaking bank. That's what I meant to say, dude. That's awesome. Oh my god. Still holding. Yeah, I'm hoping for a little bit of a retracement still, but previous day low is definitely in the crosshair. So right here is the money right there, below previous day low. Right there is the money. So let's hope for it. I mean, if for you guys. Oh, look at that. It's going. 72. Oh my Jesus Christ. Beautiful short up there. Should be going down. Yeah. 72 is not far. Can it really go down there? I mean, down to at least to the 90s. I wonder. I don't know. Optimal trade entry to go short on the 5-minute is up here. I'm still waiting for this. Yeah. Which would be at 40. But I don't think it's going to go back to 40. Highly doubt it. TP is 92. Oh my god. You were very close there. 9:30 was re-entry opportunity for finish my week. Yeah, good morning, Crypto Panda. How you doing? You need 2 points, man. You were very close there. I think you should be alright anyway. I'm gonna put my entry at 39.50. 39.50. Let me put it there at 39.50. Apex 20. All right. Okay, I placed the sell limit at 39.50. I don't think it's gonna go up there, but in case it does, there's a gap. So let's see if I'm gonna get tagged or not. That would be an optimal trade entry level on the 5-minute. If this is a target for liquidity. And from that area, 39, if I would put my stop loss there, yeah, that's the problem. 72.25. I could do that. 72.25. Yeah, maybe. Okay. So entry is still not tagged. Still not there. It will go for that level after sweeping. Yeah. I'm still not I'm still not in this trade yet. Trying to measure the 50% level properly. It's not going for it yet. It's up at 40. So my entry is 39.50 still. That's my entry point. It's a little bit below the 50% level, but you know, just to make sure. It doesn't seem like that price wants to take that. So it could be leaving without me if it goes down. It actually did the market structure shift. So this 5-minute was a very good example. 9100 is my number for the day, but I'm in holiday mindset. 100 could be happening. Yeah, could be. Could be. Roll, hey there. Quick question. When you request a payout in Apex for 2 or more PAs, do you get transfer? You get individual trades. I wish from all my heart that I could tell you, but I think because I haven't received that level yet. I'm building up my funded account still. I only received payouts from TOPSTEP yet, so I'm sorry, Raul. I can't tell you that. Unfortunately. I told you. Where is the I told you? What did you tell me? What did you tell me? It's still not at my entry level. It missed my entry with like 2 ticks or 1 tick. Just one payment, not separated. All right, there you go. Thank you for the info. Abundance protocol. Thank you. Okay, I got tagged into the trade. I'm gonna set my stop to up there around 73, but I think it's gonna go higher. I don't like this move. It could be going for the opening range high. Limit down at 73 maybe. I connected the, so I'm in the trade, but I don't like it so far. It's at the optimal trade entry. I thought that the liquidity run is going to be the previous day low because we have daily fair value gap below. We still have the 940 levels down there. So I was pretty sure. Let me show you guys my entry. So here it is. Let me change the time frame. Let me go with 5 days. Okay. So this is my entry right here. Only with 2 micros, but it's all right. My stop is at 73.25, but I don't know. If it trades above that level, it should be breaking the opening range high anyway. It's for tomorrow. All right, sorry. Short now. That's the moment. All right. Well, I'm short. I am short. So the 90% sale is only at Apex by now. BULENOX is back to 70%. Oh, there's a latency. Jesus Christ. It's a good thing that I connected the orders. There's a huge latency. Like 36,000 milliseconds. Wow. That's a lot. Yeah. The I told you is for tomorrow. All right. So the I told you is going to be at 19,100. Another 19. Oh my God. Taking advantage of market structure shift. Good. Good. Jacqueline is killing it. Is killing the market. Yeah, there is a delay. Damn. Anyway, unfortunately, it's going for my stop. Yeah, it's going for my stop. Seems like we're heading back to... it's just created an inversion gap. So we're heading back to the news high. I mean news market opening high. What a shame. Chow Tang, careful. Yeah. I received more than 28k from Apex until now, but only from one account. Wow, Jesus Christ, Marcus Trader. Man. That's how you do it. ES is pulling NQ up again. Oh yeah, look at that. I thought that ES is gonna take out that low. It was so obvious. Now it's just pulling it. And it seems like that NQ wants to take those opening range highs up there. It's very close. I mean, this inversion gap could be used as a possible long entry, but who knows? We have the 100 level up there. Should I risk it? I don't like this. It goes up there, the 100 level is up in that area. Hey, Aussie morning. 28k in payout. He's killing the market. Marcus Trader is really good. Should have folded. Interesting how price went through again. This could be a long trade now. Especially after this candle. Now I got confused a little bit. Oh, the 90% is back. All right. Is somebody watching the stream? Okay, the 90% is back at BULENOX. They are changing it. Okay, 90% is back at BULENOX, guys. %90 is back until tomorrow. It's funny. It's funny, actually. So the Tom Sable 1 code is working again. 90% is still working at BULENOX. Hear ye, hear ye. All right. 5 minute is closing. What a move, by the way. Didn't expect this kind of movement. What a gap here. Wow. What a gap. You can do it too. As Tom as anyone in here. Study and be disciplined. I'm disciplined, Marcus Trader. I'm just offside right now. That's the thing. I'm short. I am short. I'm offside on this trade. So I would be very glad, Marcus Trader, if you could give me some advice, really. I'm in a short position. Right here. Huge latency, so it's delayed. So what the heck should I do now? This is the 5 minute chart, so I'm holding a short. But now it seems like it's just want to push higher. Could be closing it, right? I'm not gonna FOMO. I'm gonna stick with my trade, but always curious about opinion. Pray. Exactly, pray. Let's pray together, like this. I had to download this. Come on. Oh well. It's too funny. I think it's gonna go up anyway. If it takes me out, it takes me out. It is what it is, but I'm gonna stick with the plan for now and waiting for a miracle, right? What can we do? Feels like it wants to go higher. What is ES doing? Tapped into the 5-minute gap, or sorry, 15-minute gap right there. So why is ES not falling? Why is ES not falling? Hold it, wait, and watch. What do all the shorts do with you? Does someone have this supply to stop the buy? The buyers eat that supply. Yeah. It's Patrick Whelan now, I see it. Okay. We are at the breaker block. Interesting though. But I still think it's gonna go up. Mention Apple, everything makes the market moves. They announced the new feature. Yeah, with AI and stuff, right? I was reading some article about the OpenAI software implemented in their phone. So could set stop loss at 102. Yeah, I could, but that would be too much risk. So if it takes me out, at least I'm gonna wait for the next opportunity. But yes, I could do that, or at least put it to 90. Don't know. I don't know. There's still these latency issues. I don't know what could be the matter. I tried to disconnect and reconnect. Maybe that helps. I don't know. I'm gonna disconnect and reconnect. I have my stop loss and take profit in place. Open that now. Oh, up at 200. That means what? NQ is gonna go up, I guess. I guess NQ is going up like hell. Yep, most likely. I'm not entering this for sure to anything, but the opening range is up at 87. So yeah, Apex still has a latency issue, man. Okay. What about ES? Still very tricky. All right, Apex is back for now. I think BULENOX NQ is ready to push higher. Is ready to push higher. Yeah. You're so long at Apple. Okay. Yeah, it's pushing. I think I'm out from my trade. Not yet. Just in a second. Almost. My stop loss was missed with one single tick. Just saying. My stop loss was at 73. It still is at 73.25. Let me show you. There's my stop. My stop loss almost got me. This is gonna be crazy. But I still think it will go higher. I don't know how I survived that. Maybe I should close this trade with a small loss until I can. Not touching it. The best feeling if it works out, yeah. Well, if it takes me out, then well, we check the 5 minute. There's a gap below. Buyers are pretty much in control, and I think they're gonna want to push it back to the highs. Sorry guys, just a call. I'm here. I got taken out from this trade, unfortunately. But I don't know what to make of this price action. Today I need to go earlier. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna be trading safe. Yes. Peter, have you traded with Take Profiteer? Yeah. I started out with them. So actually just a few trades, 1 or 2. But you know, be careful with Take Profiteer. If you breach your daily loss limit, then that's a hard breach. That's the main thing you have to remember. Otherwise, it's I mean, if you can build up your funded account with them, it could be like almost like a cash machine because, you know, payouts are instant and you can request a payout any day and they will process it and wire it on the same day. That's what I'm being told and that's what they are telling. So yeah. Let me check what is going on here. I mean, we should be breaking the 88, right? Who knows? Opening range would be logical. No activation fee, Peter. And also there is a link down in the description of the stream. You can use that link and I have my code TOMSABO that will give you the best discount. And the activation fee is included in the price. So the 50K account is $102 right now, but there is no activation fee. So it's included. So that's it. Igen, József, mennek a ritmik számlák nálam egyenlőre. Volt egy delay, vagy micsoda, de disconnecteltem, aztán újra connecteltem, és most jó. Úgyhogy most per pillanat jó. József was just asking if my Apex connection is alright. So what I did is I disconnected Apex and reconnected with Quantower and it fixed the issue on my end. But okay. I scalped this last move here. Thanks. So is that the best value 50K funded account you have? Well, you know, it Peter, honestly, to tell you best value. So let's just state two things, which I think is important. Intraday trailing stop or end of day trailing stop, and you know, daily loss limit or not. So daily loss limit could be a problem for many traders, especially when this is a hard breach. So take profit trader is great, but you know, reaching the daily loss limit is a hard breach and you're going to blow the whole evaluation and the funded account too. The funded account has intraday trailing stop. So the evaluation account is end of day trailing stop. The funded account is intraday trailing stop. So that's a little bit of a negative there. For better value, if you have $102 for a 50K valuation account, I would go with $132 with MyFundedFutures expert account because there is no consistency rule, no withdrawal cap, no daily drawdown limit, no scaling with contracts, end of day trailing both on the evaluation and on the funded account. So the best value for the service that you can get, including the activation, no activation fee. I mean, it's included in the price. So the true cost of funding is right now with MyFundedFutures, including all the service fees or all the advantages, perks and features that they can give you, end of day trailing and such, you know. I would go with MyFundedFutures, but if you have that kind of money to start an account with, and if you feel like you have the skill to pass the account in 30 days, I mean, anyway. Oh, Chuck Ninjaba. Oh, Azt nem tudom, mi lehet. Crypto Tom's code guarantees to pass your evaluation account. Yeah. Thanks very much. I always thank you so much, Peter. Thank you. So that's what you have to consider. Take Profit Traders payout policy is the best, but the negative is the daily loss limit. And that's it. The daily loss limit is a hard breach. That's the if you can manage that, it's up to you. It's up to you. With TOPSTEP, you can get a 50K combine with a 50% consistency rule on the combine. But the activation fee is $149, and you have to make 5 days above $200 to request the payout, right? So that's what you have to consider too. So that's a $200 true cost of funding. With MyFundedFutures, it's $132, the true cost of funding, and there's no limitations. That's it. But it's personal preference for everyone. It's personal preference, which platform you choose, which one you like or prefer, depending on trading style and everything. All right, we just made a new high. This was interesting. So sweat liquidity went down, went up there. How about if this one's just gonna go down again and push it all the way down? If you look at the daily chart, just check a daily chart, guys. Look at the daily on Nasdaq. We are still inside this Friday daily candle. We are basically, this is the mother bar, and we're just floating as an inside bar. Obviously, the upside, the 155, seems to be a little bit closer to at least tag the highs of the Friday candle, NFP candle. So it's very close. We could be continuing higher, that's for sure. So trade safe. It seems like it's going higher. Look at that. Look at that. Also checking the 5-minute, no shift. If we see a continuation as a liquidity run, this one could be a good one to take another trade, but it depends if we get a fair value gap or not. I can't anymore accounts from TOPSTEP because I'm South. Oh, you're South African. Yeah. Yeah. Well, then you might be having trouble with MyFundedFutures as well. And maybe Take Profit Trader with restricted. Let me check it. MyFundedFutures, restricted countries. MyFundedFutures, restricted countries. You're from South Africa. It's not restricted. It's not restricted. South Africa, South Sudan. It's not restricted. So these are the countries that are restricted, and as far as I can check, you're okay. So that's, you're okay with MyFundedFutures, just saying. Maybe I think then Take Profit Trader could be all right as well. Top G's here. I know you are Naz. I know that, Top G. Welcome. I saw your message, by the way. But Naz Gelb God is Top G in a disguise. All right. You're restricted, Viox. Come on. I suppose if you are strict and manage your risk, Take Profit Trader sounds. Yeah. So if you have a trading plan and you risk very small, then, I mean, not like very small, but with a straight plan, you know, not gambling all your margin on a trade, then there should be no issue, no problem. Just take, you know, just watch out for the daily loss limit. I've seen Trustpilot, a trader, complain about the admin fee I don't see that. I don't know about the admin fee. 103. I think it could be before the new sales, which includes no. Maybe it was activation fee. Not sure. Anyway, it is nationality or country you live in. It is your nationality. So you can live in any country. They're going to check your passport or national ID. They're going to check your national ID or passport. So yeah. OMG, look at this. If I look at the 15-minute, doesn't really look that good. One fair value gap down here. Otherwise, it seems like it wants to go for the London highs. Still waiting. Still trying to go with the best possible option here. What if this one goes back into this gap? It's kind of like an inversion gap or something. Anyway, weird price action, that's for sure. Yeah, Michael. It is weird. I'm trying to figure out what to do here, but still looking at this gap down there. But there's nothing to enter. ES went higher. On the 15-minute, by the way, ES looks good for a drop, but yeah. I don't know. Feels weird. It feels weird. Ba-dum, ba-dum, pum, pum. Very, very weird price action. Yeah, I don't know. Seems like NQ just stopped existing. The fun is over. I don't know. Still have some time from the kill zone, like 20 minutes, official kill zone time. But oh, guys, it is weird. No entry level, nowhere. This high at 105 is definitely close. We didn't go through the 100 level, did we? Did we touch this one? The high was 99.75. How about here? The high was 99.75. Okay, we didn't go there yet. Bounced right back down from the 100 level. Should be going back. Or not. Yeah, should be going back above 100. Nothing extra. That might think the short bias is no more valid as ES grabbed. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, look at NQ, by the way. Yeah, just pushing through 100. Yeah, the short bias is not valid anymore. I think ES on the 15-minute, look at that. I think it should be pushing higher, which means we could be seeing NQ pushing all the way up to the London highs. I wouldn't be surprised. The problem is there's no entry on my end for this trade. We're going higher. TP Heat, yes. Nice, George. Congrats. Super long. It's still morning. We have time to go. Maybe reversed. Who knows? I'm back to say. I am back to say. I told you. Yeah, you said 100. Definitely. Definitely, you said 100. I think it's gonna take out previous day high. It seems like it. We're getting closer to that 29, and today's high was at 13. Let me check it. Cheers. The man just came here to piss me off by saying I told you. All right. All right. You can play the game, right? Right. You can do that. All right. Should be pushing through that 13 level. They like to make price straight line, so it's hard to get entry. Yeah. Yeah, for example, now there is absolutely no entry on, for example, the 5-minute time frame. On the 15-minute, I would say this is a bullish breaker, but to make it valid, we have to go back down to 79. There's a gap here. I'm gonna mark it up there. Just to see it cleaner. $15-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna write this here. All right. What else do we have? Relative equal highs, by the way, at 13. Still not taken yet. So that's interesting. This 5-minute candle is leaving a gap here. Let's see. Going up through the London high. There she goes. Through the London high. Small fair value gap, by the way, on the 1-minute. Yeah, it's good for someone who scalped it. Not me, unfortunately. Come on. By the way, push the like button and subscribe if you can help out the stream with a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. Oh wow, look at that. 29. 29. Getting to that 29 level. It's going. It's unstoppable. It's Peter Hightam. If you look at Take Profit Traders website on the Get Started, there is a comparison with other platforms. Says one time US. There is no activation fee, but let me show you. Just a second. Just a second. I have it somewhere here. So it says if you use my code, you have the 40% lifetime discount plus waived activation fee, which is the $130. So you don't have to pay activation fee if you use the coupon. There's gonna be no activation fee if you use code TOMSABO. When you purchase with that, there's gonna be no activation fee. Waive activation fee, customer service. So I can not sure if you can read this. There. Your lifetime discount plus a waived activation fee, 130 savings are attached to the active account forever. So the benefits of that account never expire. You will never pay activation fee. Doesn't matter when you pass, doesn't matter when you reset, it doesn't matter if the promo is over. So there's no activation. Oh, look at that. We're pushing it. We're pushing it. I had no entry, so that's why I didn't enter, but it should be going over that 29 level. And not just that, to the 55. You're welcome, Peter. You're welcome. So the 130 activation fee is waived with this promo. Wow, going through. And there you go. Next level is 155. 155.25. Let me go ahead and check it. 155. Seems like it wants to go for it. Careful with that level, of course. Seems like a subscription. Unfortunately, I can't pronounce that name, but welcome. Thank you for joining the channel. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Whoever you are. I'm sorry I can't read that, but thanks for joining. Let's see, we're at 25. We should be going for that all-time high again. What do you think? Are we still going for it? It's kind of weird. Feels like it's pushing. But at the same time, I don't know. It was pushing a little bit. All right. All-time high possible, definitely. Looking for any kind of possible retracement. I'm not jumping into anything, but look at this. I mean, I don't even know what to look at right now. So if I look at the last swing low from the 3-minute chart, I would put a fib tool here, and I would say on the 5-minute chart, I'd like to see it go down to 113. Let me delete that level. Or even below. The optimal trade entry would be at 100. So if we go down to 100, that would be an optimal trade entry on the 3-minute swing. Man, it's a little bit weird. Strong push. You know, it's just this is typically the price action when it's just too high to go long and too high to go short. Gotta wait for some kind of a retracement. Sorry, pullback in this case. Pulling back down. Should be waiting for some kind of a pullback. At least to the 100 level. But I don't think that's gonna happen. I think it's just gonna straight go up to 155. No entry. Scalping here, not taking positions. Yeah, I'm not taking any position here. I did scalp a little bit on my funded accounts. I made like 150 bucks on the fundeds. Only going for 2 or 3 points at BULENOX because they let you to do that at BULENOX. But otherwise, I don't see anything. Can you please like the video? Which video? If this video, then it's fine. Price is preparing for CPI release. Yeah, they should be pushing it through the 155. They should be. There's just no other way around it. The question is when. Again, it's too high to go long and too high to go short. I would be feeling much comfortable if it would go down to the 100s-ish area. So this is where patience comes into the play. Gotta be patient. Gotta know what you want to do. You know. Be patient. Dun, 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 dun. It's pushing. So again, the sale is going to end today at Apex. BULENOX extended it until tomorrow. 90% sale. Grab it if you want to. Cheap accounts for tomorrow CPI. Supply zone, yeah. By the way, I saw some great videos from traders who are trading supply and demand. And I did like that. I did like the theory, supply and demand. A lot of videos, of course, all over YouTube, but that, you know, kind of looks okay, trading supply and demand, right? I knew a guy, he was killing the market. He was killing the market with supply and demand. He combined it with order blocks, which is basically almost the same. If you look at the formation, he was trading order blocks, supply and demand. He was actually making a killing. Okay, we might be seeing some retracement, maybe to the 3-minute level. So let me put the fib tool here again. Optimal trade entry would be down here. Could be good, maybe on the 3-minute chart. Could be okay. I do like this level. 110.50. Risk to reward is 1.4. Not the best. Not the best. I should not be forcing it. Yeah. The best would be to have it at 125. Optimal trade entry. Yeah, good risk to reward. Okay. So I'm going to be waiting to 0125, 0125. Yeah, I placed a buy limit at 0125. Stop loss, well, would be inside the 15-minute fair value gap. So down at 70, Okay. So yeah. I'm sorry. All right, guys. I had a phone call. I have to go, unfortunately, but I don't have any opportunities anyways. So I'm gonna delete my limit order. I have to go, guys. Take care of some IRL stuff. So I'm gonna cut it here. Anyway, the kill zone has ended, approaching the lunch hour. So that was it for me. Today was quite interesting. I'm gonna be doing another review. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. You guys are awesome. Thanks for the support. Don't forget, today is the last day for the 90% Apex, BULENOX 90%, or in any way or shape you want to support the stream. Thank you so much for considering it. I'll be back tomorrow in the London session. So everybody, I wish you all a good trading session. Love you all, you know. Yeah, sure, Jess. Just, you know. I'm not really using Insta, but sure, I'll be checking if you you know, tag me there. All right. So thanks, guys. Have a good one, and I'll be back in London. All right. See you, everybody.